Hello everyone, Milan from IP Fabric here. Today, I will walk you through the network verification options in the IP Fabric platform. Network assurance should be a critical part of any network operations center. The benefits when shifting from a typical firefighting scenario to a more analytical way of operating the network are very clear. In the classic firefighting scenario, engineers wait for an incident to occur and then react and update the design if needed. On the other hand, in the analytical way of operating the network, we try to detect any inconsistencies in everyday operations. We optimize and prevent many incidents to happen. What we are looking at right now is the Network Assurance Dashboard in the IP Fabric platform. It includes more than 100 verifications that are already implemented in the platform. The view is fully customizable and so are all individual verifications. Apart from that, the users of the platform can create their own types of verification, which elevates the usability to another level. They can be about anything: routing protocols, switching domains, management protocols, or end-to-end path. It's your choice. So if you have any type of security best practice within your company the network has to meet, or if there's anything missing in the assurance engine, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create a new verification from the scratch and how to add it to the main dashboard. So now, let's assume that you need to verify if all configured Snmp communities on all devices have the access list applied. Now with the IP Fabric platform, we need to realize that we already have all the data about Snmp from all devices in one place, which is the platform itself, so let's get to that. First, let's find the right source for information about Snmp communities. I will use the search box for that. I will search for Snmp, and what do we have here? Snmp hosts, Snmp summary. Here we go, Snmp communities. That's what I'm looking for. Here is plenty of information. There's a host name, site, authorization, group, applied view, and the ACL field, the access list. Associated ACL restricting the source of Snmp queries. That's what I'm looking for. To create a new verification, we need to click on the colorized column over here and fill in the fields. I have a descriptions prepared in advance. My description for the rule will be Snmp community ACL. The colorized column will be ACL. The widget is optional, but by including the verification into the widget, the verification will appear on the main dashboard, and that's our target. I will choose the Management Consistency widget for this purpose. Now, the description is also important because all verifications from the dashboard automatically appear in the network summary document, and that's where the description will appear. I'm gonna put in a description: verifies if the access list is applied to the Snmp community. Okay, and let's go to the filter rule specification now. By default, all records will be green with description Snmp communities with ACL applied. The blue flag I'm going to use for Snmp communities without any access lists with description communities without any ACL applied. I will select the column ACL and check for the records with an empty ACL field. We can test the rule with preview, and that's it. Now let's save the rule. Now we can easily distinguish between Snmp communities with ACL and without ACL applied. We can tell the number of occurrences of each group or export the data. Apart from that, the new verification is present in the dashboard. Let's verify that. Now we are back in the assurance engine and let's see if the new rule is present. Here we go. We have a new verification for Snmp communities with ACL. We see all the descriptions. We have new verifications present on the main dashboard, and that was our target. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you, and see you next time.